Words to know. Use a blue word to tell about something you did. Write. They write stories to read in class. Read. Dad will read a book to us. Pictures. He is looking for some pictures of lions. Draw. They all like to draw pictures. Was. This animal book was very funny. After. They will go to sleep after the story. Read and comprehend. Text and graphic features. Non-fiction selections use special features to point out information. These are things like titles, labels, captions, photos, graphs, or artwork. As you read, use special features to help you learn more about the topic. You can use a chart to list the features and what you learned. Target strategy. Question. Ask questions about what you read. Look for text evidence to answer. Preview the topic. Writing. Why do people write books? They write to show how they feel. They write to give information. They write to make people laugh. Authors can write stories, poems, and plays. What do you like to write? You will read about a famous writer in Dr. Seuss. Target skill. Text and graphic features tell how the words, photos, and art give information. Genre. A biography tells about events in a real person's life. Look for facts about why the person is important, pictures of the person. Meet the author. Helen Lester. Just like Dr. Seuss, Helen Lester has written a lot of books that make you laugh. She says that the funny characters she creates, such as Tacky the penguin, are just like the students she had when she was a second-grade teacher. Dr. Seuss, written by Helen Lester. Essential question. What makes a story or poem funny? Here is Dr. Seuss. You can call him Ted. His mom and dad did. Ted was a funny man. Ted would draw pictures. Here is a fun picture. Ted would write too. Ted wrote the book The Cat in the Hat. The Cat in the Hat was a big hit. Can you find the cat in the hat? Ted had many big hits after The Cat in the Hat. Kids liked the lyrics a lot. Splat, sled, bell, smell, red, hat. Ted would write rhymes. Can you find some here? It was fun to hear Ted read. Now kids can see animals from his books. Dr. Seuss National Memorial Sculpture Garden. Dr. Seuss is still a big hit with kids today. Comprehension. Dig deeper. How to analyze the text. Use this page to learn about text and graphic features and biographies. Then read Dr. Seuss again. Text and graphic features. Dr. Seuss has special features that add information. Photos add to what the words say. What do you learn about Dr. Seuss from the photos? Why are some words in dark print? What do you learn about the cat in the hat from the words, photos, and artwork? Use a chart to list features and the information they show. Genre: biography. Dr. Seuss is a biography. It tells true information about the life of Dr. Seuss. Look at the photos. They show the real man. What is he doing? Look back at the selection for the text evidence. Besides writing, what else did Dr. Seuss like to do? What other facts do you know about Dr. Seuss that could be in a biography? Your turn. Return to the essential question. Turn and talk. What makes a story or poem funny? Ask your partner questions about the animals Dr. Seuss made up. How do they make his story funny? Look for text evidence to answer. Classroom conversation. Now talk about these questions with your class. 1. What did Dr. Seuss write about and draw? 2. Why was Dr. Seuss an important person? 3. The selection says Dr. Seuss was funny. What pictures and words show this? Write about reading. Response. Think about what you learned from the selection. What else do you want to know? Write questions you have about Dr. Seuss. Writing tip. Begin each question with a capital letter. End it with a question mark. Poetry. Poetry uses words in interesting ways to create feelings and describe things. Rhyme words end the same way. Cat, hat. Alliteration is a pattern of words with the same first sound. Big, buzz, bad. Find words like these that make the song and rhyme fun to read. Let's laugh. Read this funny song with your class, then sing it together. Use the same tune as if you are happy and you know it. Then sing it again with new rhyming words. If you're silly and you know. If you're silly and you know, say a rhyme. Fox, box. If you're silly and you know, say a rhyme. Red sled. If you're silly and you know it, then your face you surely show it. If you're silly and you know, say a rhyme. Play, hooray! Peter Piper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, where is the pack of picked peppers Peter Piper picked? Mother Goose rhyme. Respond to poetry. Pick the song or rhyme to memorize. Read and say it many times. Then sing or say it for classmates. Use your voice to show your feelings. Compare texts, text to text. Express opinions. Look at the pictures in both selections. How are they alike and different? Which do you like best? Text to self. Connect to language arts. Write a silly poem about your favorite animal. Use rhyming words and words that start with the same sound. Clap the rhythm. Text to world. Describing words. Find words in the song that tell about things in the world. Which words tell how things look or sound or tell about feelings? Grammar. Singular and plural nouns. Some nouns name one, some nouns name more than one. An S ending means more than one. Some nouns change spelling to mean more than one. One hat, more than one hats. One man, more than one man. Woman, women. Child, children. Try this. Choose the correct noun to name each picture. Then take turns with a partner. Tell why you choose a noun that names one or more than one. Say a sentence, use the word book, books, stamp, stamps, man, man, cat, cats, child, children, grammar and writing. On a sheet of paper, write a sentence with the correct noun for each picture. Informative writing ideas. Before you start writing, plan the details for your description. A friend can help by asking you questions. Josh asked Evan about the cat in the hat, exploring a topic. Does the cat have a tail? How do his feet look? Pre-writing checklist. Did I choose a topic I know a lot about? Do my details give information about how the character looks? Did I write adjectives to describe my topic? Look for details in Evan's web, then plan your own description. Use the checklist. Planning web. My topic. Cat in the hat. Head. Tall hat, red and white. Body. Long thin tail. Arms. White gloves. Legs. 2 furry feet.